Want to make a passive income? Here are 5 problems and solutions on that very subject. Don't have the money? If we are in this situation, then we really need to work out a way to make our money work for us, instead of the other way around. There's a proven system and can get up to 10 times its initial value in a short time. I enjoy helping others, and I'm only too happy to share the information that spawned my success. Comment help and I'll send a link. In the meantime, try giving up something that isn't good for us so that we can put the savings towards something that is good for us. I gave smoking up for this very reason. Don't have time? Again, if this is a situation, then we need to invest a small amount of time now to have more freedom later. I know it's sometimes not easy, especially when we're exhausted from work. But I push through, and it's well worth it to have as much freedom as I create. And if we spend even half of our spare time working on our own business, we will reap the rewards later. Lacking skills in the cryptocurrency industry? Skills are not necessarily required in this situation because everything's done for us by professional stock market analysts. Nevertheless, I gained a heap of knowledge from this community that I'm very lucky to be involved with. What I learnt was free, and I'm happy to share this information that could help others to do what they enjoy in life. Don't feel like we can attract others to our business? This is where developing a personal brand that can be used for pretty much anything could be beneficial. This involves posting questions, adding value, and occasionally letting our potential clients know what we're offering, allowing them to approach us. If we can't think of anything to post about, apart from eating breakfast, try focusing on what we would actually like to be doing. Our goals, our dreams, our desires and purposes, but try to present it in a way that inspires our associates. What if it doesn't work out, or I get ripped off? Be brave, my friend. I've failed many times in my life, but I'm proud to say that I gave things a go. And we can't learn from our mistakes if we don't make them. The community site that I'm in has heaps of documentation, guaranteeing peace of mind that obligations will be met. Besides, some of the companies that we have access to are worth billions in their own right, so they have absolutely no reason to steal from anybody. We all get our returns on a daily basis, which can be either withdrawn or compounded back into the system. But we can talk about all of that in the near future. Hopefully this has at least helped to give hope that there could be an easier, better, and more interesting way to make a living. See you in the next installment of Problems and Solutions.